All right, we got the water boiling. Time to make some food. I got these little lamb T-bones here and they're already seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bone out and cut off the grizzle, put that in the pot first. I'm gonna have some herbal tea here. Well, the lamb fat is rendering up nicely, so I just added some sweet potatoes and some tomatoes to the stew. Add some carrots and loads of onions. A beautiful lamb stew. Time for a little dessert. Got a little cherry pie for dessert. Warm pie on a cold day.